Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in auto insurance with Progressive, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Progressive website at www.progressive.com. Once on the home page, locate the auto insurance section. Click on the Get a Quote button to start the process. You'll be prompted to enter your zip code. Fill in the zip code and click Start Quote. Next, provide details about the vehicle you want to insure. This includes the make, model, year, and mileage of the car. After entering vehicle information, click Continue. Now, you'll need to enter your personal information. This typically includes your name, address, and date of birth. Once completed, click Continue again. You may be asked about your driving history and current insurance status. Answer these questions accurately to get the best quote. After this, review your coverage options. Progressive will display various plans and prices for you to consider. Take your time to evaluate different coverage levels. Once you've made your choice, select the plan that suits your needs. Now, you'll need to enter your payment information. Choose your preferred payment method for the policy. Review all details before finalizing your purchase. Finally, confirm your new policy and save any documents provided. You're now successfully invested in auto insurance with Progressive. Congratulations on making a smart choice for your vehicle protection. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.